Today in American history. President James Monroe signed the Missouri Compromise, admitting Missouri as a slave state, Maine as a free state, and setting a line to limit slavery's expansion. After a 13-day siege, Mexican forces led by General Santa Anna captured the Alamo, killing all Texian defenders and inspiring the rallying cry, "Remember the Alamo." The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in Dred Scott versus Sanford that African Americans were not U.S. citizens and that Congress could not ban slavery in U.S. territories. The Union ironclad USS Monitor sailed from New York to Hampton Roads, where its battle with the CSS Virginia would revolutionize naval warfare. U.S. Army Air Forces launched their first major daylight bombing raid on Berlin, demonstrating American air power during World War II. Julius and Ethel Rosenberg went on trial for allegedly passing atomic secrets to the Soviet Union, becoming a major Cold War espionage case.